I experienced the worst moments of my life. My nightmares, I couldn't wake up for hours, but bezama ukungivusa. Mangiphaphama, manzi, ugcwele nje lapha phambi kwami. And then I packed my bag. I was engaged then. Packed my bag and I left.
Sanibingelela ohlelweni lethu le Echo Point TV The Call nobingelela uxona umfana kambatha kushandoda bezethu sontsikazi ushota uMantindana siqhamusodedla madle bana kwatshoza icolo umtitha takho dakhela ucato. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and share. Uyazi ukuthi kusibeka kumapha amathuba kakhulukazi futhi ke namhlanje ngihamba nogogo ufihliwe angazi noma gogo ngibiza kahle angesi umkhulu ne mkhulu fihliwe. Ngiyaxolisa ukuthi kubiza ngomkhulu ngogogo umkhulu namhlanje siphethe umkhulu fihliwe ke la e-studio ke angeze kuba nawo amaningi niyalazi udaba ngizothatha intambo kuziphose kuye umkhulu akazi ukuthi asibingelele.
Sanibonani, igama lami ufihliwe wakwamahlangu. Yangi spiritually ngumkhulu, I'm addressed to as umkhulu. Considering the fact that my dominant amakhehla ngidominate amakhehla.
All right. Mkhulu njengoba ke umkhulu wasichaze ngoba umuntu wesimame nje obusho ukuthi umkhulu wasichazela isizathu salokho ukuthi kudalwa yini. Kahle la yini osiphathele yona kahle uzothi yini kithi kakhulukazi kodwa ngifuna siqale nje la sibheke ijeni yakho kakhulukazi ubizo lakho ukuthi lubuyapi kahle ngoba ngeke ngizwe ngomana lapho ngutshele bethi ubizo lunendlela ezihlukene nami nginobizo lami nawe nobizo lakho nawe unendlela yakho ihambile sifisa ukuqonda mkhulu ukuthi wena eyakhe indlela yaba kanjani ukuze ufike la ukhona nje manje.
Okay, shuthi indlela yami my awakening yaqala la. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi beku 2019 you get a call, a wake up call, but I didn't answer. I got the wake up call in 2019. But I didn't answer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Ngaze answer in 2022.
Okay.
Yeah. What I'm trying to say, ukuthi I wake up call yam yedlozi ngayithola in 2019. But I rejected.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't want to.
Kwakwenzakaleni yafika kanjani?
One of the episodes bengihlala eBramfisher. My first episode, in Charlie Bramfisher, renting with my baby daddy then. As in renter, I had dreams, but my worst episode was in Puma, Nitinyagu Mama, at Liptown. I was with my daughter. She was a year old. Yeah, Puma, I takes. I think it was a few minutes or so after the taxi approaching Lightos, because I used to connect Jozi going to Etlip Town. So approaching Jozi, it takes, I forgot everything it takes in. My mind shut down or but I forgot who I was. I forgot where I was going. I didn't know who the baby I had belonged to. So this happened for I think it lasted for 10 minutes. I started panicking. So there was me, driver, and this woman taxi in. Now I was thinking ukuthi ithingibuzelo mama ukuthi le taxi yapi mhlambe ngabuyelwa ngicabanga ukuthi kwenzakalani. And then that's when my memory came back before ngithi ngibuza lo mama. Yeah, that was my first one. Yeah, ngiyacabanga nalapho I still didn't answer. Until 2022 besihlala eMzimhlophe now with my baby daddy.
Okay.
I experienced the worst moments of my life. My nightmares. they came even ngihleli ngisabukulala.
Uqalwa yini?
Nightmares ngasho. I don't know how to explain them. Amaphupho. Back then I would say amaphupho amabi.
Okay.
Athusayo.
Okay.
Yeah, dreams that make you afraid to sleep. So sengisabukulala until one day I stopped eating. I lost my appetite. I started having ama-symptoms omuntu ongaphumuli ongalali. Bengiqwasha ebusuku. So I ngabalekela ku Kenya Black every single day of my life. And one morning ngalala, my baby daddy just went out beka sebenza. So my yogibeli bus beka phuma early than when he was to catch a taxi to work.
Yeah.
So bephume early nje. So ngalala mina ekuseni. Esofeni ngalala. And then I don't know what happened, but into engiyazi ukuthi ngilele, and then I had a dream. And then in that dream I slept ngalala futhi. And then ukulala kwami lapho sengivuka ngisethi like it's a dream. Ngivuka ngisethi Town kithi ekhaya kithi. Ngiyehla manje kulelo phupho lelo khona engikhuluma naye uhlala khona nje lapha eduze nasekhaya. So going down ngiyehla ungitshela ukuthi hey, we've heard that your mom has disappeared with your kids. I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl. With your kids. And akanayo iphone. So esangitshela lokho ku-approach ubaba ongizalayo. I-approach ubaba naye angitshele same thing ukuthi hey uma wakho unyamalele lana angazi nami ukuthi uzothola la kanjani uhambe nezingane futhi akanayo iphone. Okay, and then siyehla manje nobaba siya ekhaya la sihlala khona. Siyehla manje masehla yena angene egateini mina ngisale nje kunezindlu la ngaphandle kwegate lasekhaya. Ngisale lapho kuleso stoop salowo muzi loyo. Khona abantwana bakhona bengibazi lapha intanga zami nje.
Usaphupha njalo?
Ngiyaphupha njalo. Ngisamile lapho kuqhamuka umuntu thizeni oyikhehla nje. Anginike iglass. It had liquid, something liquid like ubisi kanje. Ngiyiphuze athi miyiphuza asho ngenkani. Ngiyiphuze mina lento mangiyiphuza ngilale futhi kulelo phupho. Ngilale sengiyaphaphama ke manje sengiphaphama. La ngiphaphama khona it looks like at first it looked like ngathi ngisesibhedlela. I was in a single bed. And then I realized njengoba ngilele ngibheke phezulu ukuthi the roof is round. And as I'm trying to find myself lapho ngizwe izwi mina la eceleni kwami sa umuntu a visitor at the hospital angithi hlala la eceleni kwakho wena ulele embedeni. It was something like that. I'm trying to give you a picture yokuthi bekunjani. So le voice ithi wena ufike la ngoba uhamba ufuna uma wakho. Ngivume mina. Lithi lezwi uma wakho akakwazi ukuba la, akekho la. Ngeke umthole la ngoba leli yizwe labantu abangasaphili. Ebese athi kimi uyabazi labantu. Akhombe bese mina ngibheka lapha phambi kwami enyaweni zombhedo. Kunabantu lapha bamile bawu9. Bame in lines of 3 phambili, 3 in the middle, 3 at the back. Ngithi mina ayangibazi. Athi sengiyambuka manje lo muntu ohleli la. Angazi mina noma ikhehla noma isalikazi kodwa ngizosho ukuthi ngibona isalikazi ngale langa kulelo phupho lelo. Ngimbuke lo muntu kodwa akangibuke emehlweni ngibuka nje i-structure sakhe. Ubheke phansi kanje. She's covered by her hair, inwele zakhe.
Okay.
Zinde nje zimhlophe. Ebese ngithi mina angibazi athi abantu bakini bonke laba. mesathi labantu bagqokile njalo baphelele bagqoke ibhayi elibizwa ngokuthi injeti bafake
injeti ibhayi njani mkhulu
ibhayi eline this design a plant the herb it has a herb design yakhona
okay
so bagqoke ibhayi injiti elasemanzini it belongs to water guidance spirits
labantu laba
yes bagqoke lona bonke
futhi bagqoke into efanayo
it means bavunulile labantu
ngento efanayo
bagobolondo yeah kunesigqoko nje sama shells this isigqoko salezinto lezi bagqoke zona bonke nje bo9 bavunulile bagqoke zonke izinto eziqokwa abantu aba spiritual because baphethe amashoba
okay
so athi ugogo lona mina uyangazi ngithi cha angikwazi ngavuma ngathi yebo angimazi ugogo khona angimazi bengingafuni ukusho angimazi kodwa as soon as angibuka aphakamisa ikhanda she looks like a figure in my family it's just that ingifikelwa umcabango kule phupho ukuthi which year am I in like sengomuphi kanti mina unyaka la ubaphelile eseguge kangaka yimi umcabango wami ingqondo yami le okay ubaphelile is the last born eka gogwami from my father's side yeah the little sister to my father
okay
bamthiye ngobaphelile igama lakhe so mina ugogo mangithi kuye yebo nyakwazi yimi engishoyo ngithi ubaphelile wena ngitshela ugogo lo
okay
so ugogo avume naye mayevume ngibheka futhi ngibone yena vele uanto wami baphelile so sengiyayibuza manje uthi kanti mina ngomuphi unyaka la ubaphelile seguge kangaka kula ngivuka khona mangiphaphama manzi ugcwele nje lapha phambi kwami abantu
yebo
angeke ngibamention abanye bengiphila eduze nabo no baby daddy kugcwele ngithelwe ngamanzi kubiziwe sekufonelwe ngisho ekhaya la abazali bami kusho ukuthi mabesho I couldn't wake up for hours bezama ukungivuza I guess they panicked thinking ukuthi it's possible ukuthi mhlambe ngishonile or because they had let my parents know ukuthi siyamvusa kavuki so coming back from that ngabona ukuthi inkana ayizungisiza ngalutho yeah I woke up and ngavuma that day ukuthi nginedlozi mawuvuma idlozi I think everything stops amaphupho for example uphupha ugijinyiswa njalo ubugijinyiswa njalo awazi mhlambe sometimes ugijinyiswa abantu abade the kind of tall that you think it doesn't exist la emhlabeni sometimes ilwane zasendle ezifana na the jaguar leopards and then until before that day I decided to stop in my dream because bengiyibuza njalo mangivuka ukuthi kahle kahle ngibalekani mina emaphusheni ami so in one dream after that question angazi I didn't know ukuthi kusebenza kanjani you find out along the way you learn along the way initiation is like school so along the way ngiyafunda lapho ukuthi mawuphupha bekugijimisa uyabaleka ngithi awazi ubaleka na ubuki nawe emuva ukuthi kahle kahle mina ngigijinyiswa yini so the minute I stopped ngabuka lapha emuva ukuthi kahle kahle ngigijinyiswa yini ngisephushweni
okay
and I realized ukuthi akukho lutho emva kwami ngiyayibalekela nje mina so I was running away from my gift I was running away from the whole journey and then that day I told myself ukuthi hayi sengiyabala lapho ukuthi kodwa mina yenzakalelwa izinto ezinje nokuphupha bese into yenzeke so ngiyatshelwa futhi nakho manje sengenzakalelwe into kanje kushuthi mina nginedlozi kushuthi nginalo ngempela idlozi kushuthi ngavuma lapho and then I packed my bag I was engaged then packed my bag and I left.
Mm.
I left the ring there, left the house we used to live in. I went home.
Yeah.
Nakhona ukuya kwami ekhaya umama usekhulumile lapho kusho ukuthi umama uye wafika, considering that mina ngumuntu ovakasha kakhulu bevakasha kakhulu kumama bengiza kakhulu eCliptown from Emzimhlophe.
Yebo.
So ukustopa kwami ukuya lapha kusho ukuthi umama waba worried, wagibela weza ngangitshelile
eza kuphi
lapha kimi
emqashweni.
Yeah, bengesike emqashweni bekumuzi ka Baby Daddy.
Oh, wasuka emqashweni wakho umuzi ka Baby Daddy?
Yes, sasuke eBramfisher saya eMzimhlophe Whites Meadowlands.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Weza ke umama mayefika uthola ukuthi I lost weight. I look sick because besengalali. And then angidli futhi. But nje I had lost a lot of weight. So kusho ukuthi umama ukubuyela kwakhe emuva abiza ugogo. Gogo wami uzala ubaba. Amtshela ukuthi hayi ngibuya le emntwaneni wami. Kukanjena ke and uthi yena kalala ebusuku ubona izinto ezikanjeni kanje. Ushushwa abantu abakanje. Athi ugogo wami ngithi I want to rectify this part. I'm the only one ophuma endleleni ngithi. Ngasho that's how they describe lento yami yonke. Ngithi amazethi sibonke.
Okay.
Bonke shuthi ngibala kwasani. Nami nje ngizalwa nje basonta kulo
ngaphansi kwalenkosi.
Phansi kwaleli
sonto.
So ugogo wami umama omkhulu beka may his soul rest. Beka umama omkhulu esontweni.
Okay.
Asu ugogo wami hayi lezinto kaMahlangu hayi azikho lezinto kaMahlangu akayisontweni. Sengibuyile nami ngiyabona ukuthi hayi vele nami nje ikhona inhliziyo ethi mina angifuni lezi zinto lezi. Ngithatha advice kagogo wami esontweni. Mangifika esontweni kuna esontweni kuye kufane no nala uhambe khona uthi uyohlola. Ikhona le yandawo lapha esontweni la ufike khona ucele umprofit ukuthi uzohlola uzofunisisa ngempilo yakho. So kade ngihamba noma yesahamba sayesontweni siyofunisisa ngempilo yami. Washo lo yamama ukuthi angithi uyakwazi ukuthi mhlambe uyafuneka la emadlozini. Wenze uqede. Bese uyabuya la esontweni. Bezobhabhadisa kabusha bekuhambisa into zakho ngamanzi into enjalo nje. Bese wena uba ngaphansi kwesonto full usebenza ngaphansi kwesonto. So mina angithi ke mhlambe ngizothola leyo nto leyo esontweni. Ukuthi kuthiwa hayi hamba ukwenza bese ke uyabuya sizokusiza. Lo mama wathi kimi wena uzoba isana usuyinyanga nje impilo yakho yonke awuzukubuya la. Amadlozi wakhe awakufuni la lelisonto. Ngiyacabanga ugogo wadela lapho.
Lo muntu lo wesimama
is prophet esishoyo.
Work prophet.
Yes.
Akasiyisa ngoma siyinyanga.
No, she's from the church.
Prophet.
Yes.
Okay.
Njoba ngisho ukuthi khona le yanto lapha esontweni ezethi yokuthi mawufisa ukuyofunisisa ngempilo yakho. Yeah.
Obekuhlole.
Yeah, bekuhlole.
Okay.
Ngiyacabanga bayibiza ngesizathu ukunyakisisa.
Okay.
Yes, ufika lapho uyonyakisisa. Mebekuhlola ke bayakutshela into ebayibonayo ngawe. So ngiyacabanga ugogo wadela lapho ukuthi hayi shuthi vele iyenzeka lento. Only to find out ukuthi ubaphelile lo. Mina mangicala ngibuzisisa kahle sengitshela ugogo phela ukuthi hey gogo mina kahle ngabona isalikazi la. Isalikazi sangibuza ukuthi ngiyasazi ngavuma nami. Ngathi si ubaphelile. Ugogo wathi hayi mhlawumbe uyamphupha phela ngoba uanti wakho ubaphelile esho lo ophilayo.
Ubaphelile uanti ophilayo.
Yes.
Okay.
Angithi ubaphelile lo ophilayo last born yakhe bobabami. Yes. So esho yena mase ngena uanti wami lo lami ubaba ethi hayi magogo angithi wayekhona ubaphelile owaye uanti wakho waye umamncane wakho wena kaMthombeni ugogo wami wakwaMthombeni washada kaMahlangu.
Okay.
So ugogo avume athi ugogo akuyena umamncane wami uanti wami ubaphelile.
Oh anti kagogo.
Wakda umuntu nje bathi ugogo mayesho uthi shuthi igedla washonela ezizweni abamazwa washonela laphi. Yeah, abantu bebahamba belwa njengamasosha nje la wakudala. Umuntu wesimame ke lo.
Okay.
Yeah, so washonela la ishonela khona ezizweni abamazwa baphelela laphi. So gogo wangitshela ethi hayi ubaphelile waye uanti wami wayegqoka iphika aqale nje ugogo evundule lento le. Alright ke isuke ubaba before nje ama hiccups ethu nala kulama differences akanawo ngami. Wangivundela iqiniso wangitshela iqiniso ukuthi hayi babe khona abantu abafikayo la ekhaya begqoke kanje behamba ngeenyawo bafike benza izinto ezikanjena babe khona abagqoka iphika into ezikanje. Mina sengiyasesha manje ukuthi okay kulolu hambe engikulo kufunekani kahle kahle kumele ngiqalephi.
Ngoba uyazi lento.
Yeah, ngoba ngiyazi futhi ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngabe ngayamkela kudala lento ngabe sekukhona engikwaziyo. So I was brand new because nakhona bengayifuni. So kuqale ke manje amaphupha ayashintsha. Yeah, so mina ngicela ukurectify le part angisisi sangoma. Because emehlweni abantu wonke umuntu ogqoka ama beats isangoma, wonke umuntu ogqoka amabhayi uthwasile noma kumele beyigobela akuhambi kanjalo. Not everyone ogqoka ama beats oyisangoma noma ozolapha noma ozoba igobela athwasise. Sometimes uyaboniswa lezi zinto usitho igqoke zilapha wena. It's not like you have a gift or anything. Yeah, mostly it's gift related stuff. So ishuthi indlela yami yaqala esithunyweni. Yeah, ngaqala ukusithunywa. Ngaba umuntu onakho ukuthi ngathi ngina lento ye-addiction ukuthi manje like sengifuna ukukhuleka kakhulu kahle kahle.
Okay.
Yeah, kube ngathi craving. Yeah.
Ukhalela nje.
Yeah, ukhalela. Ingqondo yami my consciousness is turning the other way. The main part ngiyisanusi mina angisisangoma.
Okay.
I'm a seer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Leyo yini leyo?
I'm guided by abantu abangasekho through a prophetic messenger, isithunywa.
Okay.
Yes. So and also initiation yesanusi and ubukhosi iqala ku self initiation whether they like it or not.
Okay.
Yes, because ngiyayazi leyo mpileyo between the spiritual kids.
Okay.
Yeah. So mina la ngizokhuluma sami story mhlawumbe khona omunye umuntu ongarelate kule spiritual journey engisambile mina. Maybe ukhona omunye umuntu engathi sihambisane naye uya relate uya understand lento engishoyo. Amakhosi awaphathwa emhlabeni. Awukwazi ukuthi uphathwe igobela futhi manje izophakama lento yokuthi idlozi lithwasisela abantwana balo inxa yokuthi nidlala ngathi la emhlabeni yave kudlalwa ngabantwana bedlozi la emhlabeni. Kuyadlalwa ngawo yazi
benziwani kudlalwa ngabo
kanjani behind igodlo ayazi bona
benzani indaba yezani
bavala abantwana babantu imimoya ababathwasisi zona. I'm also having a realization yokuthi abantwana abaningi bethongo baya la bangabizwanga khona kugobela abangaboniswanga bona. Well, that also works ngendlela yesithwalo. There was someone owafika nesithwalo la ngihlala khona lapha eKliptown. Yeah, bagijima ke baya kuye bengaboniswanga yena. Kuleyo part it's not their fault, it's their fault.
is not their fault, is their
Yeah,
fault.
like mina
Amatwazi.
mangizohamba ngiye la ngingabizwanga khona kumuntu engingaboniswanga yena. It's not my fault, but it's also my fault.
Kanjani manje akusiliphuta lakho kodwa futhi iphutha lakho?
Yeah, okay. Abantu beyithwala uyahamba ngiyacabanga baya it's a process uyahamba uye phakathi kweintaba nani uyikhuphule lento yakho oyikhuphulayo uyobiza abantu ezizweni. Fike lapho kuleyo ndawo you become a resident yaleyo ndawo leyo. And then spiritual gifted kids from around that environment, that area, bazoza kuwe bengaboniswanga wena ngithi uhambile wayo sithatha lesithwala. Now mase mina sengigijimile sengiye la ngingabizwanga khona sengibizwa yilesithwala. Once I'm in there, there's visions, there's dreams ngaleyo ndawo enguyo. Ngithini ke mina ngiphupha, because there's no way ukuthi ube umntwana edlozi kodwa ignore iphupho. It all starts ukuze wazi unedlozi iqale phi, because iqale emaphushweni. It all begins there. So if it begins emaphushweni, why would you ignore amaphupho ukuleyo ndawo le? Athina amaphupho athi ukahle na lapho la uhleli khona. Athi indawo athi ubiziwe yini wena la ukhona ubiziwe. Lo muntu okuthwasisayo umbonile ubonisiwe yena ugobela wakho ngempela yini. Ngiyacabanga mina idlozi alikwazi angeke likulahle idlozi ngeke likulahle.
Yeah,
that's one thing for sure. Ngeke idlozi likubonisa ukuthi wena ufuna wenze kanje bese liyakulahla endleleni likujikele endleleni uwe yithi singamameli yithi nje. Ayi ngoba futhi abantwana bethu ngabamameli. Silinyazwa because asimameli ugcina ulimele nje ngoba awufuni ukuzwa. Nami I'm one of them actually. Yeah.
So manje yaqhubeka ke nawe ke mkhulu ke lendlela yakho ke?
Yaqhubeka indlela yami sengilapha ekhaya lapha. Sengiyaphupha ke manje amaphupho amaqala ukuba njengoba ngishilo ukuthi it's consciousness. It's from this is just a dream to no man. But manje it's from as umcabango wami, it's just in the back of my thought. Ususa lezo you realize ukuthi it's not actually just a dream. No, actually, you know what? Bekungasi ukuthi umcabango wami kuphela. This is happening. It's moving from ignoring your intuition to believing it. Yeah. From ama experiences owabonayo. Uyaqala uphupha idlozi angibaphikisi mina. There's also debates about idlozi it's demonic and stuff. You don't actually fight with those people. You don't disagree. That's their own perspective on how they see idlozi. Idlozi liyathusa. So let them be labantu abathi demonic. It's okay. Liyathusa idlozi akusinto ebonwayo. And there's only an entrance kulendlela, there's no exit. So ungena kwakho ungenile.
Yeah.
And I wish spiritual kids who social media could also tell abantwana bedlozi laba bangakaboni ukuthi le ndlela kwenzakalani kuyo ukuthi it's not only roses. Because lihle idlozi lapha ku social media, that's they only talk about the beautiful side. They don't talk about the dark side. They don't talk about you losing yourself along the way. They don't talk about ukuthi uyawonda uzukhulunywe ugule. They don't talk about the dreams that actually feel like you were there. They feel like poopy, like yenzeka lento.
Yeah.
That's when your third eye opens. So ngaqala ngesithunywa ngakhuphula isithunywa kunezinto oyidlayo. Uma ukhuphula isithunywa besides igobongo. Isithunywa sinokudla kwaso. Uyasifida. So ngaqala ngakhuphula isithunywa esimhlophe. White duke, white cape, isiphike esimhlophe. That's the stationary, the ngizothini into zakho zokuqala
into
kule ngulo. Yeah, your stationary.
Okay.
Yeah, Bible, ikhandlela, ibhidani, elimhlophe, ituku elimhlophe, isiphike esimhlophe, white beets.
Okay.
Ukhanyisa indlela yakho. As to say ngiyavuma manje ukuthi I am using this gift eningipha yona. Ukhumbula ukuthi idlozi umuntu ongasekho. Umuntu owayo waphila la mhlambe ekudala njengalogo kwami okuthiwa baphelile.
Yep.
Idlozi lasemandulo baphelile la kudala. Ngiyacabanga njengoba bengimphupha ugogo wami mayesho. She was 600 and something of age. Ngakho ngithi idlozi akusinto ebonwayo. So idlozi la kudala into eyenza kakudala nakho lokho ukuthi bathi wafela ezizweni akaze nje ingcwatsho lapha ekhaya mhlawumbe akaze tholakala ukuthi kwenzekani ngaye. Yeah, so now isithunywa umuntu obekade ethandaza kakhulu la emhlabeni esaphila la emhlabeni.
Yeah.
Umuntu ukuthi everything yakhe ebeyenza through prayer bekholelwa nje emthandazweni. Mayisengena wena you do the same things.
Okay.
Pray a lot and not just any prayer umthandazo okusebenzelayo nawe. So ngikhuphula isithunywa you there's things you drink. Most of the times isithunywa sisebenzisa whatever they use at church eZTC.
Okay.
The tea, the whole combo nje. It's just that it doesn't work the same way. And then obviously impepho and candles nesnafe. So ngiyaqala lapha indlela yami. Sengiqala ngiyagadlwa manje la.
Yini yakufikela ukuthi
ngikhuphula isithunywa
futhi futhi yakwenza ukuthi uthenge lezi zinto lezi wathi wayithenga ibhayi elimhlophe nesikafu esimhlophe konke
isiphika eCape
yeah yini yakwenza ukuthi wenze lezo zinto.
Okay, now ngiyaphupha la ebusuku ngilele ngiyaphupha ngiphupha kushuthi mina njoba ngithi dominant yami amakhehla ikhehla elingiphethe livaliwe. It's too expensive to cleanse idlozi elithwetshuliwe. It's very expensive to cleanse idlozi elithwetshuliwe. So ikhehla lami mina lithwetshuliwe ke lapha. Ikhehla likwazi ukuthwetshulwa from emndenini.
Sure.
So akusinto engizoyiphatha kakhulu le because yeah izongibangela ama complications going back home. So hence ikhehla lami lithwetshuliwe lapha. Mina ngibhekwa abogogo la because yibo engabathlenza, yibo abangifikela kuqala, yibo abangivusa, abangiphaphamisa. Angithi leli lilele phela ikhehla.
Yeah.
Lilalisiwe. So ngiyaphupha la ngiphupha ngikagogo wami la ngikhulela khona. Mind you ngaleso sikhathi I had started smoking inqawa.
Yeah, ngiyayibona inqawa.
Weed, yeah. Inqawini. So now imini yakhona I was asking myself ngakho ngithi idlozi lisebenza ngeintuition ngomqondo isithunywa nobusanusi. Now ngiyaphupha okay emini ngiyayibuza ngithi kodwa is it necessary ukuthi ngibheme like ngibheme inqawa ngibheme insangu. Ngiyaphupha lapha ebusuku ngiphupha ngagogo wami. So ngihleli nogogo wami la ngiyambuza gogo kodwa engani mina ngibhema insangu. So kuqhamuke ubaba omkhulu wami ubudi olanywa ubaba. Yeah ubaba omkhulu wami aqhamuke ngepassage lapha ekhaya bese shonile lapha eqhamuka khona. Uyaqhamuka bekade hamba ngedondolo ikakhulu nje behamba ngegavu stick bethanda igavu stick.
Okay.
Edondolo zayo aqhamuke ke ubaba omkhulu wami athi unamakhehla wena uyangizwa. Ngithi unamakhehla wena. So lapho nami sengiyayibuza ukuthi hawu kwenzekani. Kungene ubhuti wami my late brother. Angene athi hey uyabizwa ngali esho kababa wami chatini la baba wami. Sengihamba la endleleni angisahambi naye ngihamba uye ikhazini yami nalo ebekade ngihlangana naye ethi kuthi uma wakho unyamalele kunalowo ntombazana. Angazi nje even today I don't want to talk about why le ntombazana ibilokhu ivela emaphusheni ami. ngiyakhuphuka nabo ukusuka lapha kagogo wami ukuya kababa wami ngasho nje ukuthi distance esuka la ngihleli khona ukuya lapha eminyango kodwa ephushweni bekungazathi mhlambe ngiyahamba ngibuyela lapha kulela garage ngiphume kulo engisuka kulo njengoba ngifikela siyawalka la maswalka baya laba engihamba nabo bayanyamala baba intuthu angazi noma uzongunderstand
yeah ngiyabona
baba ismoke like intuthu nje so okay ngithuke ke bese kuyaguquka kuba kusemini phela bese kuyaguquka kubamnyama hawu senyama ngala emini kwabamnyama manje ngathi kuzonetha kube nento you know when you surrender yeah there are those dreams ugijimiswa something uzwe ngathi khonto ehleli la
ngathi ikusinde basho
yeah amadola awafuna ukuhamba so amadola asarende kodwa sengiphakathi ejardini la kababa amadola amasarende ngiguqe ngibuye phezulu
yeah
mangibuka phezulu lapha kumnyama lapha ngathi kuzonetha kuvele leopard ingwe
yeah yayibona ingwe
ikhulume isuthu ikhuluma isuthu ngizwe nje yonke into eshiwe ilengwe le ngizwe nami ngiyavuma phela lapho ngazi isikhathi ngivuma angikakazi ukuthi bengazi ukuthi fanele ngithi khanya noma ethokoza gogo noma makhosi kodwa ngiyavuma lapha makhosi ngezwe makhosi iyangitshela le ngesuthu okay kabo mama masuthu
okay
I understood that journey from there
okay
umama umsuthu wase Free State eKroonstad iyavela le ngiyakhuluma after that kuvele a lion not a lioness a lion
yeah like lion
ikhulume nayo kodwa mina ngizwe uyazi nje makunomoya omningi endlebeni zakho isivunguvungu nje somo ngizwe nje angilizwa ikhehla lithini yakhuluma le lion yakhuluma angizwa nhlobo yaze yaqeda ngayizwanga ngiyaqhubeka amalanga ngiyayibuza ukuthi hawo sakhuluma isithunywa kodwa lutho ikhehla ukuthi ngilizwe ukuthi lithini kodwa ngivumile futhi ngingangazwanga nokuthi kuthiweni
yeah
ila ngithola khona ukuthi hayi ikhehla lami and ezinye izinto as an initiate uzithola as maybe uyatoga la utoga khona hlangane nomuntu onjengawe kanje yeah naye akuhlaziyela indlela ukuthi hayi wena kanje kwenzakala kanje ikhehla lakho lathwetshulwa kanje so mina I just figured out then ukuthi okay bengazi ukuthi lithwetshuliwe but I knew there was something wrong ngama male dominance so that's when I find out ukuthi okay shooting nesithunywa from hearing what the leopard said yeah this was part of the message ipalo leli bhayili bizwa ngepalo
okay
kakhulu ipalo lisetshenziswa kumanono amanono yidlozi lengane encane miscarried kids aborted kids yeah I have miscarried twins yeah so I have idlozi lamanono liyakhanya nje most of the times idlozi lamanono yiwa kuvalela indlela the lost kids
okay
yeah not miscarriage not cleansing abortion not cleansing miscarriage not cleansing abantwana abadlulile emhlabeni yakuvalela indlela I think that's the most dangerous thing edlozini vale kuba mnyama nje so that's where I started ngakhuphula isithunywa and as ngisikhuphula phela mawenza into kumele kube khona okukutshelayo ukuthi you are in the right lane wenza kona
wenza kahle
yeah wenza kahle so ezinye ngikhuphula isithunywa ngiyezwa la ukuthi hayi
khona into
esona naso yeah ngiyezwa through umthandazo wami mangithandaza ukuthi ngithandaze kuze ngizizwe ukuthi ngathi ngiyashifta ngathi angisekho la mhlawumbe ngivala amehlo kodwa ngathi angisekho la mhlawumbe ngizizwe ngathi ngisehlane manje ngizumoya ngizwe environment yasehlane ngaphandle sometimes umuntu ohamba amanzi kakhulu my pictures are just of water bodies and intaba namahlane so nginayo ipicture engqondweni ukuthi manje ngiyazizwa ukuthi manje ngathi ngisentabeni Kuzo nje indawo engivamise ukuthi ngihambe ngiyokhuleka kuzo. And also isithunywa sisebenzisa the what you doing right now kakhulu uma ukhuleka.
Okay. Yeah.
Sisebenzisa ukuzamula kakhulu.
Okay.
Inyembezi.
Bese kuphume inyembezi.
Usiphumela nje inyembezi
ya. Nami ngesithunywa ba.
Hayi asazi. Sisebenzisa lokho nje so that's me ngiyaqala manje indlela yami stationery sami senginaso. Anginamali ke kodwa iBhayibheli ngalithatha kubaba.
Okay.
Ladliwa amagundwane. The chapters I was reading ngavuka ekseni nje wonke lawo ma chapter engangiwafunda ngo3 ngithandaza adliwa amagundwane.
Hawu.
Yes, ngisenalo nje yazi kube kanti ngiliphathile.
Kusho ukuthini ke lokho aku?
Yeah.
Kodwa into okuyichaza mhlawumbe.
Yeah, umhlaba mkhulu kakhulu so amagundwane ayasetshenziswa nje. Kuningi okusetshenziswayo in the dark world. Ebusuku masilele ithi ngisho njalo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So lidliwe ebusuku nje nami ngilele ngiphaphama ngithi because isithunywa sami besifuna umthandazo 4 times a night, 4 times a day. Ngishuthi besihamba ngo 6, 9, 12, 3 and then nasebusuku ntambama u6, u9, u12 no3 wasekuseni. Njalo until isithunywa sami siphakama I was doing that routine ebusuku ngivuka 4 times and then emini ngiyathandaza 4 times. So I had done my night prayer eka 12. Ngirealize ngo3 mangivuka ukuthi iBhayibheli lidliwa amagundwane. Ngahlala ke nalo lelo Bible phela nginayo ichoice anginayo imali.
Uzofunda ngani manje uzowathatha pha amavesi?
Yeah, kudliwe nje lelo verse phela ngithi mawufunda iBhayibheli you pray whatever prayer you have and then bese uyalivula. It's not like you're gonna page. Uyalibeka nje la uthandaze bese uyalivula. Whatever chapter is gonna give you ufunda lona.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's what I did. And then yadla so bengigoqa leyo part le bengikade ngifunda. Ngizoyiphinda futhi ngomkhuleko wami wango3. So ngigoqile leya part yadla nje that chapter.
How?
Yes. Yadla leyo chapter. And then ngaqhubeka ke neBhayibheli lami. Ngaqhubeka neBhayibheli lami. Indlela yami iqala kanjena ke. Sengikhuphule lesi sithunywa esimhlophe. Sengiyarealize manje ukuthi kukhona esinye. Ekumele ngisikhuphule futhi esezulu. Esamanzi futhi esinye.
Yeah.
Isithunywa sezulu sambelana nesithunywa samanzi.
Okay.
Yes. So sengikhuphule isithunywa sezulu nesamanzi manje yashintsha igear. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. My first gear yedlozi it was isiphika ibhidane limhlophe.
Okay.
Yeah, the white gear. As a stationery. My second gear was reggae.
Reggae.
Yeah, I think most people's journeys ngizozama ukusesha kodwa I think abantu abaningi ama journey abo self initiate mostly ahamba kanje.
Okay.
My second gear was reggae. It's reggae, red, yellow and green.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. So now ngineduku eli green and yellow. Nesiphike esi green and yellow nebhidane eli green, red and yellow intamo.
Yeah.
Yes, sengikhuphula sengihlanganisa izithunywa manje. Umndiki idlozi lasekhaya.
Okay.
Umdawo lasemanzini. Nesithunywa hayi. And then blood ancestor idlozi okuthi lelo you can't ignore. So iyaqala ke manje ijeni yami sengiyaphinda futhi angisalala ebusuku but it's different now. It's different. Ngivuka sometimes my mom would experience me ngenza izinto that I wouldn't know. Maybe angixoxele ekseni ukuthi hayi since izolo uvuka uthandaza ngibone so uguquka yabo izinto ezinjalo. So ebusuku sengiyagadlwa ke manje kule second journey yami isithunywa. Ngiyathandaza lapha ngo3 ngithi ngiyathandaza ngilayitile lapha amakhandlela ami. Ngazumeka. Ngasha iduku. Yeah, ngasha iduku. Kuna thina sikhule kuma environment anzima. Yeah, kunabantu abenza izinto ebusuku.
Sure.
you la ngikhule khona, if you had a journey like mine, uzomphupha umuntu ebusuku ekseni mawumbulisa athi
athi ahline nje athi
yeah, athi umuntu ojwayele nje ukujabulela nje yazi mawumbulisa that time uzobe uphuphile wena and nalo muntu omphuphile awukho sure wena ngaye awukabi sure
thothi umphuphe
la ebusweni. Okay, mina umuntu engamphupha naye nje oh, may God protect me. Naye nje waye nje yabo ngendlela zabo zalo yamuntu owababiza bengaboniswanga yena. Yeah, ubegqoka nje idukeli ready, egqoka nje uku-ready. Okwabo kune-ready kakhulu, ngiyacabanga abongiliphuze ngaliphalaza they bacisha kakhulu ku-ready mawuke wabanothisa.
Okay.
What I mean is abantwana bethonga bathwasa ogobela basemhlabeni. Yes, what I noticed was umgqisho wabo nje lapha ku-ready. So ugqoka idukeli ready lo mama lo. Ungqinile lapho ukhona into afuna ukungifaka yona. So siyacabana la mina ngifuna ukubona ubuso but it's blur kunalento le engabonisa ubuso bakhe kodwa iduku ngiyalibona. And then shuthi ngiphaphanyiswa nakhona ukuze ngibe naleli phupho abazali bami baye kunento ekuthiwa umpoho esontweni umgidi wesonto.
Yeah.
Bebaye lapho so ukubuya kwabo babusha ukuthi baphelekeze bahamba bakhaphana baye toilet. Mina ukuvuka mabebuya the noise they made ngenze ngavuka ngisalwa nalomuntu. Ekseni ngisengiyaphuma ke nebhakede lami nyokha amanzi ithepi uyaphuma nje mawe ethephini uya ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Ngiyaphuma nyokha amanzi hawu ngimthola vele nje endaweni eJardin ngiyambulisa ke hawu sawubona mama usibanibani athi nje iqoke lona leliduke ngimbone ngale ebusuku.
Hey badoda.
So isanu sisebenza ngomqondo. Unakho ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi benginakho ukuthi hayi uye mana akwazi ngimenzeni manje sengibulisa kanje uye uyena
and uye
bese angithi awukahla idlozi elingiphethe mina line wisdom kakhulu. But bengi ignore because even then ngibe nalento ukuthi asuka umcabango wami udlala ngami mina. Yabo ngiyayicabangela nje lento le.
Yeah.
Until iziqhubeke manje sengibaphupha manje bayangidunisela manje. Like lamaphupho sewabaphe labantu engibaphupha benza lezi zinto bayafika lapha eJardin lasekhaya bayafika baqoqe nabazali bami
normal impela nje.
Ngicela ukutshela ukuthi abazali bami balunge ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi ungamtshela ukuthi ngibone uMasibanibani engilapha ebondweni izolo emncane kabi lapha ebondweni izolo. Ugogo kwami nayo benjalo bazothi hayi umuntu omdala lo ungadeli singafa nje indlela ngokulunga kwabazali bami indlela balunge ngayo. So akusiya abantu ukuthi bayayithatha lento bayenza into eserious. Ungamtshela ukuthi yazi lo muntu omenayo imphupho engidunusela kanje uzobuya kusasa lo muntu ozoxoxa nabo bazoxoxa futhi naye kube ngathi ayikho into eyenzekile. Bese kuba u-anti wami ya u-anti wami akayithathi leyo nto. Ayithathi leyo nto u-anti wami ubatshela ngola nobhuti wami bebatshela ubhuti wami ngamtshela ukuthi hey ngiphupa umuntu oso enza lokho engidunisela nani. How lo muntu loyo wadlula ngiyakhumbula it was 2 to 3 weeks ngiqeda kwenza umsebenzi ngiqeda kuvuma idlozi manje. Wadlula lo muntu wadlula nebhakede lika number 2. And hayi ibhakede leli lokuthi ibhakede sengikhuluma ngebhakede ele ama hired toilets.
Oh okay. Oh yeah ngiyabona.
That thing le lapha phakathi isiphu lesiyana. Adlule naso lo muntu. Hey asuka ubhuti wami considering the fact that ngimtshele ngaleli phupho ukuthi ngiphupa umuntu oso edlula la.
Yeah.
After that hey athukani ubhuti wami ethukani uthi hawu siswami usanda kugeza umsamo la wala ekhaya wena uyadlula lana nesinyama isichitho mina ngishayiwe ngaso namanje I'm healing isichitho. Ngishayiwe edlozini ayikho into oyihlambulula njengesichitho nkosi yami.
Ushawa bani abantu noma yidlozi?
Abantu around and uyabazi that's the good thing edlozi. Uyabazi abantu abakugadlayo. Uyabazi abantu olwa nabo ebusuku.
So manje ogogo njalo mkhulu ake ngibuze la nina akuwena
Yes.
njoba uthi uyini I self initiate.
No, my first journey was I was self-initiated by Idlozi. Because mabati self-initiate abati mina. I'm not the self. The self Idlozi.
Okay.
Yeah, the word self it belongs to Idlozi.
Okay.
It was Idlozi. Ngicela ukurectify something. Akekho mina umuntu engambona ohamba ngeenyawo eziwu2 othi ngaphuma emanzini kanje. Ikhona yona into asemanzini kodwa it's through amaphupho visions ulele.
Okay.
Angimazi mina umuntu othi angaze ngimbone umuntu othi mina ngaphuma libalele emanzini. Uyahlala yes but it's through visions ulele. You are on your third eye experience lapho.
Wena mkhulu awunawo ugobela.
Wasemhlabeni ukhona umuntu owayengisiza. Akusiyo ugobela kodwa my guidance ngithole kuye most of my guidance.
Okay.
Wasempumalanga ugogo Mahlabezulu.
Wayekusiza nje kulekelela. Kahle kahle
wayengisiza kakhulu ngisho.
Okay. Kahle kahle kunombuzo engafuni ukuthi ubalekele.
Yes.
Angithi ngiyengizwe kuthiwa kunogogo kunegedla kunenyanga kunesangoma kunani wena uyini wena mkhulu
Ngisanusi.
Uyisanusi.
Yes.
Kodwa uthi isanusi yini mangichazela?
Yeah. I'm a healer. I was born a healer. Even if bebangangiphanga mhlambe bebakhetha omunye umuntu emndenini I had my own things. Isithunywa nje bekuwesami vele.
I-self initiate nesanisi akufani into ehlukene.
No, i-self initiate means ifana ukuthwasa. Angithi uyathola ukuthi unedlozi. Ebese uyothwasa kufana nalabo abathwasa kogobela.
Wena uhlangana nalokho?
Hayi ngiyahlangana mkhulu.
Uyahlangana. That's why ngibuza ukuthi into eyodwa yini isanisi
isanusi nesangoma noma isanusi no
self initiate.
No, ngifuna ukuchaza self initiate yini.
Okay.
In self initiation intwaso akuhlangani ukuthi isanusi is a different version yobungoma yobunyanga khona umakhosi khona othokoza gogo.
Okay.
Bese kuba nezithunywa ke plain sithunywa akuthokoza aboliseli khanya kuphela. So mina what I'm trying to explain ukuthi is self initiation akusiyigama le journey yakho
lento
oyiyo no igama le journey oyihambile.
Okay.
Yes, intwaso. Yes. So is self initiation intwaso eyenzeka mawulele. Other than ukuthwasa kwala emhlabeni mawuthwasa emuntwini kogobela uyaphupha bese uyamtshela ekseni ukuthi hey sengiphuphe lokho.
Nawe uyaphupha kuphela.
Mina ngiyaphupha ngiyabona I have visions namaphupho and then there's the back of my thought thing le ukuthi ayisuka bese iyenzeka ke after 2 minutes ngisanda ukuthi ayisuka.
Okay.
Yes.
So manje la ngoba phela kunanogobela ngithi.
Yes.
So wena kuthini ukuphawula kwakho mhlambe wena ogobela ku right vele umuntu ukuthi aye kugobela noma
kule journey I believe not everyone is supposed to go through self initiation yodwa. Umuntu most of the times umuntu akangenwa idlozi elilodwa. So asithi wena ungena omkhulu wakho uyayifuna lento ufuna lapha ya ugobela lo kufuzuyile lapho ufikile. So isithunywa siyazithwasisela siyazikhuphukela siyaphakama sinamagobongo. Kubogobela uyaliphuza uliphalaze igazi ukuze kukhulume idlozi lakho leli liphakathi kwakho. The difference between the two is that wena lokhu kwenziswa abantu abangasekho abane wisdom e pure. Lo wala emhlabeni it's not always pure. Wisdom yabo nezinto abafuna ukuzenza kuwe they are not always pure.
Yeah.
Awazi owasemhlabeni awazi.
So manje bukhona nomkhulu ubudlelwane phakathi kwakho nomuntu
nogobela wasemhlabeni. Yes.
Bukhona nobudlelwane.
Njengoba ngisho mina I believe ikhehla lami njoba livaliwe nje lidinga inkomo izinto ezinjalo. I don't have the money right now. So I believe ukuthi ikhehla lami mina lizongidinga ngile emuntwini one day. Yes. khehla lesikhwama I don't think bangangithwasisa isikhwama ngilele.
Okusho ukuthi nawe khona izinto ozenzayo ezenziwa yilaba abanogobela basemhlabeni.
Not yet. Angithi khehla lami lilalisiwe.
Ngithi mina umkhulu.
Meanwhile right now no.
Kukhona yini okwenzayo njoba wena uthi uyisanusa ngithi?
Yes.
Kukhona yini wena okwenzayo mawusebenza umsebenzi wakho okuthintana noma okufana nomuntu okwenziwa umuntu onogobela wasemhlabeni?
Yes.
Kukhona.
It's like cleansing is no much difference than cleansing enziwa ugobela wasemhlabeni.
No cleansing like ukugeza umuntu.
Yes. Especially sisami most right now siku cleansing.
Okay.
Yeah, yasemanzini. So that's not much difference because into esifike siyenze lapha iyafana. Yeah, mostly ngasho.
Okay.
Depending on ukuthi ucleanser in.
Yeah.
Yes. Mina kakhulu ngisebenzisa iwash uma ngicleanse abantu. Umkhuleko, candles. Impepho. Incense is always the middle part of ubudlozi.
Kodwa futhi ke
umuthi
ngoba uthi kukhona okwenzayo okwenza umuntu onogobela wasemhlabeni. Kukhona ani futhi ongakunderstand okwenziwa umuntu onogobela wasemhlabeni. As much as wena ungenawo ugobela. Kukhona ongakunderstand bona abakwenzayo.
No. You understand? I think in a perspective, I have an eye for different things. Ingakho ngithi mina kulempi yabo. Kulempi ekhona phakathi.
Ngaphandle kwezimpi.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuqonda ukuthi kukhona wena ngicela ukukhulumela wena mkhulu. Kukhona wena ongakunderstand ukuthi njoba mina ngenza example. Ngumdlali webhola ne isoka kumfana. We understand ukuthi khona amantombazana adlala isoka ngithi. So manje kodwa inetball nayo isoka kodwa kunezinto engayi-understand kwi-netball ukuthi njengoba mezofaka ibhola aqale uyobona umuntu mezofaka ibhola embobeni angithi uqale enze njani angathi uyacounta 1 2 so manje angi-understand ukuthi ucountelani kangaka but I know ukuthi isokha mina makufika ibhola ngilishaya ngonyawo ngene nethini angicounti mina ngonyawo so manje ngifuna ukuthi yi-understand leyanto ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha so nami lo mbuzo ngifuna ukuqonda ukuthi wena kukhona nimkhulu la ukuthi lapho nalapho nje onga-understand khona ukuthi ayi kodwa la angi-understand mase kwenzeka kanje.
Yes, la ngi-understand khona angithi siyathwasa la kagobela. Sibaningi. Ngesikhathi sokwenza okuthile sikwenza sonke ngesikhathi mhlambe siyakhwezela.
Okay.
Ngesikhathi sokukhwezela. Sikhwezela sonke ngesikhathi esisodwa. Like you understand ukukhwezela yini ngithi?
Ukukhwezela like inkuni.
No.
Ngazukhwezela ukufaka inkuni.
To summon idlozi.
Ukuphahla.
No, to summon ukulibiza angithi ubezwe abantu abaphoziswe idlozi. The yoy.
Oh, yo.
Yes, angithi ayizifikeli most of the times or all the time.
Okay.
Entwaseni kwagobela esigodlweni uyalikhwezela uyalibiza lingakafiki.
Okay.
That's the minute bonke ubezwe yo ibasalibiza until lize lifike.
Okay.
Usuzwe nawe ukuthi hayi manje sekubhodla idlozi manje saseyini. So into engifuna uyazi niyakhwezela nonke ngisho ugobela uthunyelwa abantu abanendlela A1 efanayo bonke labantu mhlambe ngithwasisa abantu abawu10 yonke le10 zonke into zabo hamba ngesikhathi esi1 kunegodle ezinjalo nonke nenza izinto ngesikhathi esi1 makumele kyo njengoba ugedla kanje makumele uyofuna imithi uyogubha imithi nonke niyogubha imithi ngesikhathi esi1 uzowuthola kanjani umuthi oboniswa yidlo angicabanga ukuthi idlozi la nosiphiwe la eduze kwami nelami lingasibonisa indawo eyodwa yokugubha imithi yilo yophathe enga-understand angicabanga ukuthi idlozi lami lingavuka on the same time nedlozi lo muntu oseceleni kwami yabo. Yes.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu mkhulu nakho sengishawa isikhathi ngenxa yesikhathi ngoba uyazi nawe mkhulu ukuthi yonke into inomgomo nombandela kodwa ngizoshiya ilenga la ugogo umkhulu uyabuza uthi kunala kangaunderstand khona ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukhona umuntu ongakhona ukuthi mhlawumbe echazele kangcono ngoba into ebalekile vele ngoba lendlela le ngoba lezi indlela ziwu2 kodwa zenza into eyodwa egcina kwakhona thina into sifuna ukuya phambili futhi sifuna ukuqonda ukuthi kwenzakalani so manje la unga-understand khona mkhulu ngiyacabanga ukuthi uzomthola umuntu ozohlala la kulesituro akwazi ukuthi azokuchazela ukuthi la kwenzakalani uyabona ngoba ngiyathanda ukuthi kube nokuthi into mongayazi kuthiwa indlela ibuza kwabaphambili angazi noma ungakujabulela nokuthi ngikutholele umuntu ozokhona la
hayi
ngakutholela awu uNkulunkulu wami ngiyabonga
now nazo ezinye bengayiqondi imibuzo yakho
okay
but on behalf of that kuningi kahle
osafuna ukubuza nokunderstand ngiyabonga kakhulu mkhulu
ngaphandle kwalokho ke idlozi likhona liyaphila
awu bakithi
no one can convince me otherwise
ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyacabanga ukuthi kungekudala ngizokutholela nje kakhulukazi namba bayabona la kuma comment section ngiyacela nangu umkhulu uyabuza ukuthi lana la aka understand kakhulukazi nizwile mina angisafuna ukuyichaza nizwele ukuthi umkhulu khona la aka understand khona kodwa futhi ufuna ukuthi kube nomuntu ozokwazi la ukuthi azomchazela ukuthi makanje kuba kanjani right mkhulu ngenxa yesikhathi khosami ngizocela nje ukuthi mhlambe ushiye mhlambe indlela otholakala kuyinamba ne social media yakho bekwazi ukuthi abalaleli bekuthole.
Okay, ku-social media ngofihliwe Nomalanga Mahlangu.
Yeah.
And then YouTube Fihliwe Mahlangu. TikTok Nomalanga. Yeah, inamba zami 063 055 3278.
Yeah. Ngicela uphendela futhi inamba yami mkhulu
063 055 3278.
Nkosi yami Thokoza siyabonga kakhulu mkhulu siyathembisa kakhulu ukuthi ke lesicelo sakho uzosithola uzoyithola impendulo yakho na sikuphendula usizofezeka uzomthola umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi akucacisele kule mbuzo osafuna ukuyibuza kabanzi ngendaba yalomuntu onogobela wasemhlabeni.
All right.
Thokoza kakhulu. Babukeli be-Ecopoint TV namhlanje ke besihleli nomkhulu ufihliwa ngithi yeah besihleli nomkhulu ufihliwe la e-studio ke siyabonga kakhulu kubeke nani njalo nisibhalele la nihleli nomfo wambatha ke la ushanda undaba ezithu sontshikazi umthiya ushota mantindasi nqamsodle madla bakagojoza icololo umdidwa daka udakhela uchacho ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe phansi nokulike nokucomenta niyazi ukuthi kusibeka kumapha amathuba nawe wasibhalela nje phansi nizwile ke ukuthi umkhulu ufihliwe uhlabekile wayibeka na indaba nayo information yakhe akanayo kakhulukazi ngobizo lakhe secela ukuthi nawe ke usibhalele lapha na kwi-comment section mawukuthi khona nawe ufuna ukusipha khona siyabonga kakhulu senthanda ke lapha emakhaya sobonana ngenye episode elandelayo.